Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the worn palm now. Cut or unstitch only the seam allowance, keeping original pattern pieces. This preserves fit. Once done, lay the old palm flat and trace it onto replacement leather, adding 0.5 cm for seam allowance. Make sure to label left or right and mark thumb join points. You want an accurate template because a small mismatch changes fit dramatically. Take your time on tracing so the new piece matches curvature and finger base positions precisely. Now prepare the replacement palm for sewing. Transfer all markings. Punch small holes along seam lines to guide hand stitching and reduce leather strain. Fit the piece onto the glove and pin or clip at key points, thumb base, wrist, and fingers. Then trim only what's necessary for a snug fit. Once the fit is right, pre-wet the leather edges slightly to make them flexible and thread a strong, waxed thread. This reduces fraying and makes stitches smoother as you sew. Finish by sewing the new palm in place using a saddle stitch or close backstitch for durability. You want evenly spaced stitches and consistent tension. Once sewn, trim thread tails, burnish edges lightly, and press seams flat so they sit securely against the glove lining. Make sure to flex the glove repeatedly to seat the leather. If you find small gaps or puckering, restitch that section and add a tiny leather patch behind problem areas. This reinforces weak spots and restores long-term function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.